Hello friends, I'm Eric Hutchinson. I'm the principal broker and owner of Hutchinson Realty. Welcome to this month's market update for May. It is May 3rd of 2023, and we're going to be looking at sold data from April 1st through April 30th in our 6 largest towns in Northwest Arkansas. Now you might have noticed that I said 6. I have added a town. I've had several people ask me to add Centerton because that is where Bentonville West, the second high school in Bentonville, is located. And so I have decided to include Centerton in our data as well. And I've got some really interesting data in Centerton as well as the other towns. We're going to be looking at Fayetteville, Springdale, Roges, Bentonville, Centerton, and Bella Vista, and we're going to be looking only at single-family residential properties, but these will be sold listings. This should give us an indication of whether our housing market is increasing in value or decreasing from this time last month and from this time last year. Some really interesting data. Can't wait to get into it with you. Let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to start south in Fayetteville. This time last year, Fayetteville sold 157 listings at a median sold price of $385,000. That's $193 per square foot. Now dropped down just below that. Last month in March, Fayetteville sold 126 listings at a median sold price of $395,000 at $198 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From April 1st through April 30th, Fayetteville sold 130 houses at a median sold price of $373,320 at $199 per square foot. So a small increase for Fayetteville from this time last month. But look at the red sentence just above that. It says $6 per square foot increase from this time last year. Now it's good that we're seeing an increase, but the rate that we're increasing keeps decreasing each month as we move closer to summer, because last summer we reached a peak. And so we were seeing last year, price per square foot was going up $20 and $30 per square foot. It was incredible to see the increases that we were seeing each and every month, but that has decreased. We're still increasing in value, but just a little bit slower. So only a $6 per square foot increase from this time last year. There are 312 pending listings at a pending price point at $365,306 at $201 per square foot. There are 195 active listings currently in Fayetteville at an active median list price of $495,000 at $210 per square foot. Let's move over to Springdale. This time last year, Springdale sold 100 houses at a median sold price of $320,000 at $171 per square foot. Last month in March, 74 listings sold in Springdale at a median sold price of $313,500 at $178 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner. From April 1st through April 30th, Springdale sold 66 houses at a median sold price of $292,500 at $174 per square foot. So Springdale saw a $4 per square foot decrease from this time last month, and only a $3 per square foot increase from this time last year. So again, that rate of increase has really decreased from this time last year. So we move up to the pending. There are 162 pending listings at a pending median price point of $344,971 at $199 per square foot. Now move up to the active listings. There are currently 122 active listings at an active median list price of $465,000 at $194 per square foot. Let's move over to Roges. This time last year, Roges sold 105 listings at a median sold price of $429,569 at $183 per square foot. Last month, they sold 73 listings at a median sold price of $399.9 at $190 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Roges has sold 71 listings from April 1st through April 30th at a median sold price of $358,000 at $188 per square foot. So Roges lost $2 per square foot from this time last month, and they are only at a $5 per square foot increase from this time last year. There are 131 pending listings at a pending median price point of $499,000 at $207 per square foot. Now move up to the active current listings. There are currently 122 active listings in Roges at an active median list price of $535,673 at $217 per square foot. Still really low inventories in Roges. Let's move over to Bentonville. This time last year, Bentonville sold 110 houses at a median sold price of $452,500 at $189 per square foot. Last month in March, Bentonville sold 131 listings at a median sold price of $413,175 at $195 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll see that Bentonville stayed the same. They sold 119 listings at a median sold price of $415,900, but it was at $195 per square foot. So Bentonville held their own. Now look, $6 per square foot increase from this time last year. Again, our rate of increase has decreased compared to what it was this time last year. So there are 308 pending listings in Bentonville at a pending median price point of $438,115 at $192 per square foot. Now move up to the active listings. There are 179 active listings at a median active list price of $501,840. Not much affordable housing in Bentonville at $209 per square foot. Let's move over to the new kid on the block, which would be Centerton. This time last year, Centerton sold 61 listings at a median sold price of $361,700 at $185 per square foot. Now move to last month in March, 92 listings sold at a median sold price of $354,547 at $182 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Centerton sold 82 listings from April 1st through April 30th at $312,500 median sold price at $185 per square foot. A 0% or a 0 per square foot increase from this time last year. I haven't seen that in any of the towns until now. So that's an incredible statistic. It'll be interesting to see if they will increase next month from this time last year or decrease. Move up to the pending listings. There are 132 pending listings in Centerton right now at a pending price point of $333,735 at $183 per square foot. Now move up to the active listings. Currently, there are 96 active listings in Centerton at an active median price point of $405,462 at $203 per square foot. Now let's move to Bella Vista. This time last year, Bella Vista sold 109 listings at a median sold price of $325,000 at $182 per square foot. And last month in March, they sold 78 listings at a median sold price of $343,750 at $190 per square foot. Now move over to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Bella Vista sold 108 listings at a median sold price of $337,500 at $193 per square foot. So Bella Vista saw an increase of $3 per square foot, and they have seen the rate of increase from this time last year at $11 per square foot, which is higher than any of the other towns that we've looked at. So let's move up to pending. Bella Vista has 148 pending listings at a pending median price point of $369,450 at $199 per square foot. And they currently have 176 active listings at a median active list price of $402,125 at $200 per square foot. Now let's look at all 6 towns together. There are currently 889 active listings in Northwest Arkansas with our 6 largest towns. There are 398 new construction out of that 889, and the median active list price is $205 per square foot. Now, I want you to take note of the pattern. So we start off at $205 per square foot, now move to pending. There are 1,188 pending listings, and that's a lot of pending listings. So our demand is still very high. Inventories are low, demand is high, and a lot of houses under contract. 665 new construction houses, so more than half of the houses that are being sold and are under contract are new construction houses. And the pending listings are at $198 per square foot. Now go down to the sold listings from April 1st through April 31st, 577 sold listings. 234 of those are new construction. So not quite half, but almost. And if you'll look down at the price per square foot, $193 per square foot. Now back to the pattern. Started off at $205 per square foot with the active listings. We have $198 per square foot with pending and $193 per square foot with our sold. That's a normal pattern. That's a pre-pandemic pattern that we would see in our inventories. We would see a seller try to get the high price, and then we would see them have to lower that price to get it under contract. And then there was some negotiating, so it actually sold less than the pending price. And we're starting to see that again. Things are getting back to normal as far as negotiating our house prices. So that's a really interesting statistic. So what can we draw as far as conclusions to all this? Well, our interest rates continue to fluctuate up and down. We had another bank close this week. I think Chase Bank bought it out and helped it out a little bit, but we're seeing a lot of confusing things happen in our market. A lot of economists are still saying that we are going to go through a recession time period, but most of them think because we have low inventories that our values will remain constant, maybe see a little bit of an increase. And so I would agree with that. I don't think that we're going to see much of an increase, but we will see maybe some. It's a great time to sell your house while values are still high and inventories are low. If you are a buyer, we're not seeing the multiple offers that we were seeing this time last year. So don't be afraid to make an offer lower than the purchase price because sellers are becoming a little bit more negotiable. So no matter what, you can always reach out to me at info@hutchrealty.com with your questions. You can message me from this video. I wish you the very best. May God bless you and may God bless your home.